Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the wisdom and habits of seniors who manage to keep their homes spotless with ease. Have you ever wondered how they do it? It's not about deep cleaning once a month. It's about cultivating simple daily habits that make all the difference. So whether you're in your golden years or just starting to think ahead, today's video will offer practical tips and inspiring insights into effortless cleanliness. Let's get started. Habit number 1, declutter daily. First up, the daily habit of decluttering. Seniors with spotless homes know the importance of tidying up little by little every day. Instead of letting items pile up, they dedicate just 10 to 15 minutes a day to clear out unnecessary things. This could mean putting away the mail, folding the laundry, or simply straightening up a countertop. Over time, these small actions prevent clutter from building up and keep the home feeling calm and orderly. It's a habit that makes cleaning much easier because you're never overwhelmed by a mountain of stuff. Habit number 2, clean as you go. The second habit is cleaning as you go. Seniors often take a moment after every meal to wipe down the counters, wash a few dishes, or tidy up the kitchen. They don't wait for the end of the day to tackle the mess. Instead, they clean in small increments throughout the day, making it much easier to maintain a spotless home. If you make a habit of cleaning during everyday tasks, it won't feel like a burden later on, and your house will always be ready for guests or a peaceful evening. Habit number 3, simplified cleaning routine. Third, simplifying your cleaning routine is key. Seniors often adopt tools and cleaning routines that work with their energy levels and lifestyle. They prefer lightweight vacuums or microfiber mops that require less effort. Instead of spending hours cleaning, they break tasks down into small, manageable chunks. For example, doing a quick floor sweep every other day keeps the dirt at bay without requiring a heavy-duty cleaning session. A simple routine like this ensures that the house stays spotless without the need for deep cleaning every week. Habit number 4, daily surface wipes. Next up, daily surface wipes. Seniors understand that keeping surfaces clean goes a long way in maintaining a spotless home. By quickly wiping down surfaces in the kitchen, bathroom, and living areas daily, dust, spills, and grime never have a chance to build up. It takes just a few minutes, but has a lasting impact on the cleanliness of your space. Whether it's wiping the bathroom sink after use or the kitchen counter after cooking, this habit makes sure your home looks pristine at all times. Habit number 5, laundry on a schedule. Now let's talk about laundry. A big part of keeping a spotless home is maintaining a regular laundry schedule. Seniors often do one small load of laundry every day or every other day, which prevents piles of clothes from accumulating. By staying on top of laundry, they ensure that their clothes are always clean and their laundry baskets are never overflowing. This habit also extends to folding clothes right after drying them, preventing wrinkles and the need for ironing later. It's a simple, proactive step that helps avoid clutter and keeps everything looking neat. Habit number 6, careful organization. And finally, seniors with spotless homes understand the power of careful organization. Everything has a place. From kitchen shelves to bathroom cabinets, seniors often implement a simple, organized system that makes it easy to find things when needed. This reduces the temptation to leave things lying around and makes tidying up much quicker. Labeling boxes, using storage bins, and setting up designated spaces for everything are all part of their organization habits. It's not about having a picture-perfect home. It's about creating a system that works for your lifestyle and helps maintain order effortlessly. Conclusion. To recap, the 6 daily habits of seniors with spotless homes are decluttering daily, cleaning as you go, simplifying your cleaning routine, wiping down surfaces every day, staying on top of laundry, and careful organization. By incorporating these habits into your routine, you can enjoy an effortlessly clean home no matter your age. It's all about making small, consistent efforts that lead to big results. We hope you found these tips helpful, and that you're inspired to start building these habits for a tidier, more peaceful home. Thanks for watching. Subscribe channel and share like video, and we'll see you in the next video.